I've decided on a conservatory specifically around having more space to my house. I wanted a place to have a dining room, and I wanted to change the look of the outside of my backyard. I chose ConservatoryLand specifically because of the way that they built the conservatory, with the base and no digging in your back garden, and you know, the fact that it only takes 2 days for them to set it up. So I thought that was really good. You know, obviously it was so cool, I just had to see it for myself and how it's done. So I was watching through the window whilst they were doing it in the garden. So I chose the recommended installers that comes via the recommendation from ConservatoryLand. They're independent guys. They came in, ConservatoryLand contacted them directly and said everything is ready. They contacted me, they just arrived on day one, started putting the conservatory in, or digging four holes, put the concrete down, and then 2 days later the conservatory was up. They were really professional, they worked really well, fast, and yes, it was clean and you know, no mess. So it was really good experience. I think it really made an impact to my family's life for having this extra space, and it looks really good from the outside in the garden, and then also the light that it brings into the house, for having the glass that I chose, just makes it so much nicer to be inside the house. So overall, just an excellent experience.